Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to create custom keyboard shortcut in Adobe Illustrator. We use so many default shortcut in Adobe Illustrator. Let me open one file. This is a T-shirt template. So we use Control 2 for locking object and Control Alt 2 for unlocking object, and Control 3 for hiding object, and Control Alt 3 for showing all object. So those are the default keyboard shortcut that already have in Adobe Illustrator. So let's see how we can create custom shortcut from edit button. From edit, go to keyboard shortcuts. So those are the shortcuts that already have in Adobe Illustrator. um, for exporting JPG, we use mostly export as options. So this is the one. Let's just say Control Alt 1, and it will be like this. Then press OK, and it will be my custom shortcut. Okay, so let's see how it works. Press Control Alt 1, and that's it. So I guess it will be helpful for you guys too. Thank you for watching the video.